What's up, everyone? It's Brandy. Welcome back to my channel. Since we're all quarantined for who knows how long, I figured this might be a good time to start vlogging because I'm bored and I have the time to create some more content. And I'm thinking maybe if you guys don't have anything to do, that maybe you would want to see basically how boring my life is. Right now I'm still in my PJs with my awesome bedhead, and I'm about to go work out. I actually have been up for a few hours, so I was already kind of editing a video and doing some things when I decided, hey, why don't I pick up the camera and start vlogging. So that's what we're doing today. We're just gonna do a little quarantine vlog style video along with every other YouTuber out there that's stuck in their house. So I'm gonna go ahead and get dressed so I can go get my workout on, and I'll bring you guys along with me. Today's workout from home outfit is these blue Gymshark pants. I got this sports bra from TJ Maxx. I love it. And then this headband came from Amazon. I believe it's in my Amazon store. I bought like a pack of 4 or 5 and I love them. I just love anything that will keep sweat out of my face. And just some plain simple white Nikes, and let's go get our workout on. I am gonna really quickly make an energy drink for my workout, and I'm just doing 1 scoop of this. I use the Energize from the Beachbody Performance line. This is in the flavor Fruit Punch, but I also love the Alani Nu energy drinks as well. They're some of my favorites, just to give me a little more of an energy boost. This is an all-natural formula, by the way. And I'm just gonna shake that up, drink it down, and go work out. So here is what's going down. First of all, I just wasted like 30 minutes making my very first TikTok. So if you guys wanna follow me on TikTok, I'm gonna leave my account right here. I'm gonna start with the elliptical. I'm gonna do about 20 minutes on the elliptical, and then I'm gonna do a Whitney Simmons workout on her Alive app. I'm gonna do the arm demolisher. It's like a 45-minute upper body workout. So let's get to it.
Do some flossing.
So I have showered, and I think I just want to do a little self-tan situation just because why not? This is the Bondi Sands aerated self-tanning foam. This is the ultra dark formula, and this is the quick dry formula. It does dry very, very quickly, so I do like to work in like smaller patches. I'll do the lower part of my leg and then the upper part of my leg. Like, I try not to cover too much area at one time because you need to work with it very, very quickly. And it gives you a beautiful bronzed look right out the gate. It lasts for a good week. It does kind of fade a little bit patchy, but I'm still kind of in the testing phase of this, so this is what I'm gonna use today. If you guys want like a full video on how I self-tan at home, let me know. I have an old one, but it's probably like 4 or 5 years old. I've got my whole little like basket of self-tanning goodies right here. But yeah, this is what I'm gonna use today, and let's go ahead and get started. I've done my lower half because I like to do my lower half first. And now I'm gonna do my arms. And because this shows color right away, you can tell where you've missed a spot, which is what I really, really like, because I'm not extremely accurate with this. I just like to get it on and go. I just like to make sure that I get a decent amount right here, because this is where it seems to always get missed. And you can see the difference right away in the color of my arms. This is not very good lighting, but you get the gist. For my upper back, I use one of these little handles, and I actually just put like a regular velvet mitt on it. And then I put a little bit of product, and then do my own back. Cause listen, I'm an independent woman. I don't need anyone to do anything for me, except for Jesus. Last but not least, for my hands, I like to use a little like makeup brush and put just the tiniest amount on it and then go over my hands. Usually I do my face before I do my hands, so I kind of screwed up there, but that's okay. What I like to use is this right here, the Isle of Paradise Self-Tanning Drops. This is the only thing that doesn't break my face out when it comes to face self-tanning. You just mix it in with any moisturizer. I'm just gonna use the Curology moisturizer. So I just pump a few pumps of that on my hand. Take my Isle of Paradise dark drops. They have, I think, 3 different colors. And I just mix in like about 3 drops. Just rub it together really good. And then put it on my face. And these drops give such a nice, like, even color. Now I'm gonna go wash my hands and then we'll be done. So for lunch, I'm just gonna do a quick little yogurt bowl. This is like one of my literal favorite, easy go-to healthy meals. I'm just using some Greek vanilla yogurt. Greek yogurt has a lot more protein in it, and I use a pretty decent amount of this. And then I like to use some sliced almonds. You can use whatever kind of stuff you want to put in yours, but I just like to sprinkle a little bit in there. I also like to use a few little chia seeds. That was a lot. I didn't mean to put that much. And then I'm gonna do some strawberries and blueberries. So I'm just gonna cut up some strawberries right in here. And now I like to use a decent amount of blueberries in there. And last but not least, I use a little bit of granola, and this is the Bare Naked Granola Triple Berry. And just drizzle a little bit in there. There we have it. A nice, nutritious, protein-packed snack. So Celeste wanted to come on here and talk a little bit. She is wise beyond her years. She's 11 years old. She's the one that looks just like my husband. She just had some encouraging words to share with you guys about the time that we are living in.
You know how the coronavirus is going on. Everybody's like so scared, and they're just building themselves up with fear, anxiety, and just all of this crazy stuff. But honestly, I'm not scared at all. Like, I'm not scared at all, even though, like, all of this, like, we can't do this, we can't do that. I get that, but, like, other people, in other people's minds, because they've built themselves up with so much fear because of the news.
Obviously, everyone's life has been altered in some way, and now you don't have school for the rest of the year. So it's not exactly normal. What are you doing to not have that same fear and anxiety as other people or other kids your age might be having?
Honestly, it's really just like my faith. Everything that happens is for a reason, and he has a reason and a purpose behind it. And people are just not looking at that. They're not taking a moment to reel in and think, well, God has a purpose and plan for everything. Keeping that in my head and in my mind, it just helps me go throughout the day knowing, well, he has a reason for this. It's not like he doesn't care about us, because he has a reason for everything. And reading the Bible and just being positive, and that, reading the Bible and praying.
She just wrote a poem yesterday that I actually shared on my personal Facebook page. But I thought it was really, really good. Do you want to read it to them?
The title of this is called Sometimes. So it says, sometimes you have to lift your head up when it feels like everything is tough. Sometimes you need encouragement when you think you've had enough. Sometimes you need to pinch yourself so you know that you're awake because the world puts out so much hate. Sometimes you need to read the Bible because you need to thank the one who started this revival. Sometimes you need to pray because you need to thank the one that gave you another day. Sometimes you need to read poems like this so you remember the reason why you live. Sometimes you need to thank the one that's always here and never gone. Amen. And that poem was about how I'm not scared because of God, knowing the reason why we're here today, and that God is in control of all of this and he has a reason for this.
What would you say to the kids that are scared right now because they don't know what's going to happen?
Honestly, I just think that you should be praying and reading the Bible and reading the Word and just knowing that God is here for you, just like always.
Do you want to pray for everyone that might be maybe sick from this virus? Those that are scared, those that have lost their jobs, or all those that have been affected by it? Do you just want to say a quick prayer over them?
Sure.
Okay.
Lord Jesus, I come to you today just thanking you for everything you've done in our lives, God, and knowing that you're here for us and you have a reason for everything that's happening, God. And I pray, God, that the people that have lost their jobs, that think they're all alone, God, and that think that there's no reason behind this and that everything's just ending, God. I pray, God, right now, God, that they just will have an amazing positive mindset during these times, and they'll keep their word in their head, God, and they'll just know that you're there for them and that there's a reason for this, God. And I pray, God, that all the kids that are freaking out because the news and just it's everywhere and that we don't have school anymore, that you're there supporting them and helping them, God, through these times, knowing that they have a friend, they have someone that they can love on, God. And I pray, God, that everything will just be amazing, God. Thank you for another day to just come to you, God, and be able to talk to you, God. In Lord Jesus' name I pray. Amen.
Amen. Now, if that didn't encourage someone, I don't know what would. Thank you for that. We're back. It's dinner time. I really haven't done much of anything today, but I am about to make dinner, and I think I'm gonna make this right here. It's like a sausage and potato dish, and I'm gonna use just what I have on hand. So the recipe calls for small potatoes, but all I have is like the canned potatoes. Won't be as good, but you know, it'll work. Sausage, I do turkey sausage, bell peppers, onion, garlic, Parmesan, some salt and pepper, hot sauce, Italian seasonings, and then some olive oil. We're gonna put 3 tablespoons of olive oil into a saucepan and heat that up. I'm just gonna eyeball it. That looks like it's about right. We're gonna let that heat up first. Now that the oil is heated, I'm just gonna go ahead and add in all of the potatoes. And I'm gonna put in some salt and pepper just to season those up. Can I help you? Making turkey sausage and potato dish, and you're going to saute these until they're about golden brown, probably about 10 minutes or so. All right, it's looking like my potatoes are done, so I'm actually going to transfer these to a bowl. I'm going to put in the sausage and then cook the sausage for about 5 minutes. Go ahead and cook these up again for about 5 minutes. My sausage is looking fantastic. I'm actually gonna take the sausage out because I wanna saute the onions and green pepper for just a little bit, just because I like mine nice and soft. Now I'm just adding in that onion and green pepper. All right, now we're talking. Add back my turkey sausage. I'm gonna go ahead and add my garlic. Just a little bit of red pepper flakes, just like a splash, just to give it a little spice. And I did season up the onions and green peppers with a little bit of salt and pepper. Add in my Italian seasoning. Get that all in there. Let all that just simmer all together. Oh, it smells so good in here right now. I'll let this cook for about 3 minutes or so, and then I'm gonna add the potatoes back in. And then the last step is to add a little bit of Texas Pete. Just a smidge more. I'm gonna add a little bit of Parmesan cheese right on top. And this is ready to serve. So there we have it. And I did cook up some broccoli and I just put some butter and cheese in there. And it is time to see how this actually tastes. Hopefully it's a success. It looks good. I love broccoli. A little bit of the potato, sausage, onion. Really yummy. I'll leave the recipe in the description box. Well, what'd you think of dinner?
It was amazing. I loved every part of it.
You haven't even eaten it yet, brat. But this one literally inhaled it. She literally inhaled it. And I basically did everything but lick my plate. So we're just here, we're sitting here watching Cole and Sav.
The LeBrant fam.
The LeBrant fam. We love them.
I love them more.
Hey, Pumpkin. What you doing over there? Huh? Huh? He has to be in the same room as us. So right now he's sitting at the table. Not eating, but he just has to be near us. Pumpkin. Alright, so we're gonna make one more thing because basically all I wanna do while I'm in quarantine is eat, which is a problem, but thankfully I have my little gym downstairs that I'm able to get in my workout every day to kind of counteract all the extra snacks that I'm having. We are going to make no-bake cookies, and I think you only need 3 ingredients. You need oatmeal, cinnamon, salt, chocolate chips, peanut butter, honey. Okay, so a little bit more than 3. My little assistant over here is gonna help me. All right, so we're doing 2 3/4 cups right there because we're gonna double the batch. So do 1 more. We're gonna make twice the batch to make 24 cookies. So that way we have cookies for days because that's exactly what we need. 2 cups of peanut butter. Now we're adding 1/4 of cinnamon, but obviously we're doing 2 of those because we're doubling the batch. 2 of those of the chocolate chips. 1 teaspoon. We're gonna do 2 of those of vanilla extract.
That's a lot of vanilla extract. It's gonna be very vanilla-y.
Good. 2 tablespoons of raw honey, which really will end up being 4. Can I help you?
I need you to look at my throat and tell me if I'm sick.
Coronavirus! Corona! You gotta stay back 6 feet.
Mama, I'm serious.
Social distancing, please. You better not get me sick.
Grind it.
Yep, grind it over there. I'll tell you when. A little bit more. Good. You just gotta mix it all up really, really
The
good.
main reason why it's hard is because peanut butter. It's a lot
I
of
know.
peanut butter.
It takes a lot of elbow strength.
A lot of muscle. I got muscle.
You just want to scoop around the bottom just to keep folding it all in. Here are our peanut butter cookies. It was kind of a messy process, but we've got 2 batches, that and these over here. We're gonna let them sit in the fridge and just let them set really nicely, and then we'll be good to go and we'll get to enjoy them. Are you
proud.
excited? I know.
Very proud and
It's a lot of work. My hands still feel like they have peanut butter all over them. I think we're just gonna end the vlog here because it's like almost 9 o'clock. That was my day. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you guys enjoy vlogs, then let me know and I'll definitely do more, especially while we're in quarantine. Pretty much everyone will be home. So it'll be a little more exciting than just me sitting at home by myself. So love you guys and I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.